It was a controversial decision by a judge who released a man prosecutors think may be involved in as many as 80 Albuquerque burglaries.
Now, the New Mexico Supreme Court says it agrees with that decision. News 13's Chris McKee monitored today's hearing.
The Bernalillo County DA's office went to the state's highest court after a district court judge ruled that Jesse Mascareño was dangerous, but that prosecutors didn't prove he couldn't be released safely. The DA's office wants the court to clear up what prosecutors need to argue to address both of those points.
The state's argument is that the same evidence can be used to establish both dangerousness and the fact that conditions of release can't protect the community.
The state failed to argue or prove the second condition required by Ferry, that no conditions of release will reasonably protect the safety of any other person or the community.
As you hear there, the justices today reaffirmed the district court's decision, claiming that the DA didn't make a strong enough argument to keep Jesse Mascareño locked up. Since his first arrest, he admitted to police involvement in more than 20 burglary cases, but he's been charged in 3 incidents. District Attorney Raul Torres called the decision disappointing today, saying there are still questions about what prosecutors need to do to clearly convince judges that a suspect needs to be held behind bars tied to the state's bail reform law.
The larger issue is that when New Mexicans were asked to vote for this, they were told explicitly on the ballot when they voted, do you want to give judges the ability to detain violent, dangerous individuals? That's what they voted for. That's not what they're getting.
The Chief Justice didn't offer any indication as to what the DA needs to argue differently or more clearly, only promising today that the justices will write a legal brief about it in the coming weeks and months. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. Mascareño remains out on conditions of release, and he's due back in court in 2 weeks.